Yep. She's little.
Oh.
Smaller. Nope. Largemouth. Why is he so dark? They choked it. Mm-hmm. I felt that they're chewing on it for a second. Jesus, dude. That is a good one. We found the trees.
Are they over there?
Yep. So right in between where we drilled. 11. I have that.
Did they get you?
Nice.
Right next to each other and go through one Vexler rolls.
As long as I get it, doesn't really matter.
Come over there and try to find another set of them.
Are you gonna put a tip up out here?
Can. Go grab one.
Which one?
Yeah, there's another one in the thing too.
I saw him through the little hole right here. That's a better one.
It's the size of the hole. I don't catch these little guys. That one mark anything down there? Not too bad out today.
No. It wasn't bad yesterday either.
It's no fun without a slash.
Yeah.
That pulley got loops in the line and everything.
No, it's a good pull. It's a good pull.
Pull that line out of
I would do every time I drop it down, it goes out. I don't do that.
Come try this one, Coop. Right here, I got him.
That's the one without the tree.
Yeah. Don't fish that one. You're just outside of our little tree thing, I think.
No.
Keep following up and up and up and let's keep going. Pretty cool to get your feedback.
Yeah. Oh, I watched it go up. It's spinning good. Yeah. We gotta walk to it though. Leave it. Let it sit. That one's going quick. Yeah, leave it. You can get that one. I don't know.
Don't grab that. Just don't grab the T part. When it's get him when he's running.
You gotta pull.
When he
Yeah.
runs.
Got him.
Got him.
Nice.
Might be a bigger one if it's running that much.
Big
You
crappie.
can't drop the the pairs. Don't drop the auger. Still biting? Fighting? Watch it at the hole. Just grab it, Justin. You don't have to hook it like a shark. Just give it a tug. Huh?
He's probably got a pike.
He'll catch like a big pike. Can you get it?
I got
That's a
pike.
nice bass.
That's 2-pounder.
You want a picture of it? Yeah, you should bring the scale.
That's not 3.
No. Back though.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go this way. Is he fighting? What is it? It's a pike? Yeah.
The last second. He snapped over the last second. No way. Dude, look, he snapped off. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Oh, that was crazy. Oh, he's bleeding big.
That'll be okay. He's just barely.
That was.
I don't want to hold that down. Just hold it down so he doesn't bite me. No, the lip. Because he's in the gill. Hold. Oh, here. He's pulling it back up.
Oh, my hand is cut.
Yeah.
He snapped the line right here. And I had
Oh,
like,
jeez.
yeah, like, it was
Boy, I
so
just redid
close.
all the lines too.
So close to get that.
I'm not
Need
gonna take a picture
pliers.
of that one. You have mine yet? Do you have the hook still?
Yeah, it broke, but it's in his mouth. That's cool.
I hope I got all that on.
Uh-huh. Come here, dude. Come on. Is it working?